Yeah, bro.
Golf Bravo Mike, runway 25, take off your discretion, surface wind light and variable.
Taking off runway 25, Golf Bravo Mike. TCP's on the green, speeds indicating, 50, 55, and climb out. Blackbush information, Golf Bravo Mike is tracking towards Compton and will stay with you.
Golf Bravo Mike, roger, basic service, no aircraft reported local.
Basic service, 900 feet from the QNH is the cloud base.
Golf Bravo Mike, roger, many thanks for the update.
Blackbush information, Golf Bravo Mike here.
Bravo Mike, Blackbush.
Beautiful up here, 1,800 feet.
Golf Bravo Mike, roger, many thanks for the update, report lead and the frequency.
Yep, I'm leaving now for Farnborough 125.25 and speak to you later this afternoon.
Golf Bravo Mike, roger, and good day.
Thanks mate, bye. Good morning Farnborough Radar, this is Golf Charlie Sierra Bravo Mike for a basic service.
Golf Charlie Sierra Bravo Mike, Farnborough Radar, pass your message.
Golf Charlie Sierra Bravo Mike is a Cessna 150 with one POB on the climb out from Blackbush tracking towards Compton. I'm Blackbush to Andrewsfield and requesting for a traffic service if possible, Golf Bravo Mike.
Golf Bravo Mike, QNH 1004, squawk 0430, report your level.
Squawking 0430 on 1004, I'm climbing past 1,900 feet.
Golf Bravo Mike, identified, traffic service.
Traffic service, and I'm tracking towards Woodley now. Just to report, 1,700 feet was the cloud tops.
Golf Bravo Mike, roger, thank you.
Oh, and Golf Bravo Mike, the cloud base was 800 feet on 1004.
Golf Bravo Mike, roger, thank you.
Oh, it's beautiful up here. Let's get to 2002 and then we'll find a route.
Golf Foxtrot Yankee, Roger. QNH is 1004, basic service, squawk 0431.
0431 and 1005. We're looking to route south of Odium through the outer zone, Fox Yankee.
Golf Fox Yankee, confirm QNH 1004.
QNH 1004.
Golf Foxtrot Yankee, Odium max penetration approved, remain outside the Odium ATZ, report your level.
Currently 800 feet at 1004 and remain outside Odium's ATZ.
To be quite interesting. Going this way in the morning like now and then coming back when it's good weather later.
Golf Bravo Mike, Roger, climb approved, remaining clear of controlled airspace.
Climbing to 2003, remaining clear of controlled airspace, Golf Bravo Mike.
Traffic notice 2,000 feet below.
Golf Bravo Mike, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles, right to left, indicating 3,000 feet, departed London City.
Traffic is inside Golf Bravo Mike.
Traffic notice 800 feet
Traffic
above.
right in front of me. So if you can see that, that's the traffic right in front of me, the flyby.
Traffic alert 900 feet above.
Golf Bravo Mike, are you overflying Stapleford, Stapleford ATZ?
Maintaining 2,300 feet and overflying the ATZ.
Golf Bravo Mike, caution, reduce traffic information from below, possible late or no warning of traffic. Traffic left, 10 o'clock, 5 miles, left to right, indicating 1,100 feet climbing.
Copy the traffic, Golf Bravo. Okay, I'll get past the Stapleford ATZ, then go on track Andrewsfield and start my descent below the clouds.
Traffic alert 900 feet below.
Farmer radar, Mike Oscar November Tango Yankee. Good morning.
Mike Oscar November Tango Yankee, farm radar, pass your message.
Mike Tango Yankee is an S-36 helicopter just out of Elstree on the way to Chorley in Lancashire. Currently,
That Stapleford below me, I can see it past the clouds.
Climbing 2,400 feet. Just basic service, please.
Mike Tango Yankee, squawk 5021, basic service, QNH 1005.
5021, basic service 1005. Mike Tango Yankee.
Golf Bravo Mike, traffic 1 mile right to left, indicating 1,100 feet, possibly in the circuit at Stapleford.
Copy the traffic, Golf Bravo Mike, thank you. In Farnborough North, Golf Bravo Mike's going to commence my descent now to 1,300 feet. I will take a basic service below 1,500 feet, Golf Bravo Mike.
Golf Bravo Mike, descent approved, taking your own terrain clearance, and Farnborough radar service 78 is now basic service.
Now basic service and descending, Golf Bravo Mike. IMC now, request QSY Andrewsfield 130.555, Golf Bravo.
Bravo Mike, Roger, squawk 7000 QSY en route, bye-bye.
Thank you very much for your service, bye-bye.
Golf Papa Mike, squawk 7000 QSY en route.
Good morning, Andrewsfield Radio. This is Golf Charlie Sierra Bravo Mike inbound from the south. Request joining instructions. Golf Bravo Mike's downwind.
Golf Bravo Mike, Roger.
Final.
Golf Bravo Mike, surface wind 270 degrees 6 knots.
Golf Bravo Mike landing. Runway 27 right.